Many times when I don't know what to do, I visit AliExpress. It's that website from China. Well, it's not from China. There's sellers from all over the world. And sometimes I buy stuff from there. I don't really make videos about them because it's like odd things like, for example, adapters. But sometimes there's always that one product that kind of makes it worthwhile to do a video about it. I'm talking about this very plain looking box. It says for phone. Let's look at it. Well. So this is the for phone box battery pack. This is what it says. It says for phone battery pack. At the back it says phone battery pack, and then it's got it in many languages. It does not at all say iPhone, but go on, we know it's for iPhone. It even has the picture of what appears to be something that looks a bit, resembles Magsafe. This looks like the Magsafe charger. You know, the external power bank. You know, the Magsafe power bank. Well, that's what this looks like. It is. That's what that is. Let's open it up. So in the package, what do we get? You go away. What do we get in the package? We get this, which is the power bank itself. There's a ring attached to it. It's a magnetic ring. We get a charging cable. It looks to be a lightning charging cable. It's quite a short lightning charging cable. What else do we get? Right, we get a piece of paper. Looks to be some sort of instructions. It's in Chinese on one side and in English on the other. It's more like a Chinese English. It's got, right, it says magnet wireless battery pack. It has input of 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 2.2 amps. That's not bad. It's quick charge, I suppose. It says it takes power of 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts and 15 watts. It says output port, it's USB-C. Well, we know that's not the case because it's Magsafe. Capacity says 10,000 milliamp hours. I doubt it, but I know that it's quite powerful because it's able to charge nearly twice my phone, and mine is the 13 Pro Max. It has some tips at the bottom. Packaging list. This is magnet wireless battery pack ×1 and user manual ×1. The impressive thing is that it's in this user manual. It's counting itself as a packaging content. So it says tips. It is recommended to use power delivery or quick charge 3.0 adapters. I don't know why, considering that this thing is lightning. So very good. Do not disassemble this product at will. You know, you just don't randomly start taking it apart for no reason. Do not use this product in a high temperature, humid environment. Please stay away from fire and water. So anyone would read this to say that you do not use the product in a high temperature or humid environment, and also is giving you advice to stay away from fire and water. I'm assuming that it's talking about this. It says when using the USB-C power adapter, and we don't have one, please make sure that the cable is fully inserted into the power adapter before plugging the adapter into the power outlet. I will remind you, this is a lightning connector. When using this product, please do not place metal foreign objects such as keys, coins, batteries or jewelry on it. Otherwise, that's it. It just ends with otherwise. It's like a bit of otherwise. Do not cross me. Otherwise. I don't know. That's what it says. Then we've got this piece of paper, and again, Chinese and English, and it says, reminder, some questions raised by customers are answered. It's a Q&A sheet. I'm not going to read this. It's a Q&A sheet. I am sure it will be plenty of fun to read it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm sorry. However, let's actually have a look at this, because I was quite impressed with this device. It actually does work, and it's very well worth the money. It comes with this ring, which is the Magsafe ring. So if your phone does not have Magsafe, you can use this on it. And because this is nothing more than the QI wireless charger with a Magsafe ring on it, this will actually work on other phones too. It doesn't have to be an iPhone, although this pattern is the iPhone Magsafe pattern. Now I have my iPhone over here, which is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now it's 9 o'clock at night. Wow, and I'm still recording. So it's an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I've got a plastic case on it. It is the original Apple Magsafe case, and I have a Magsafe wallet on it. And these things are amazing. And by the way, they will demagnetize your cards because it is magnetic. It's obvious, but it does work very well, and it fits on, and the phone recognizes. It's really good. And how the Magsafe works is that even the case itself, when you put your iPhone in an original Magsafe case, the phone will actually recognize the case and will show you the background and the Magsafe logo directly onto the phone. And that is kind of a way to see if something is a genuine product or not. But not always is only genuine products the ones that are going to show up like that, because this is definitely not a genuine product. This is a copy of an Apple powerbank, a Magsafe powerbank, but because it's a powerbank and it's Magsafe and it's something that can actually exist, just put in a ring of magnets inside. It works on this iPhone to charge it. But not only, because if I place the charger onto the phone, it will actually come up with this, which shows me the battery percentage of my phone. And let me try. Let me do it again, because it's quite quick actually. It kind of goes away quickly. And it will also show me the charge remaining in the power bank, which is really good actually, because that means that you don't have to have any status lights telling you the level of this device, because you can actually just see it on the device itself, on your iPhone itself. Now I'm gonna quickly unlock this, because I believe that also it is displayed here. In fact, it is. It shows here my battery percentage of my iPhone, and also the battery percentage of the power bank, and it's displayed there. So if you've got AirPods, it will be displayed here. An Apple Watch will also be displayed here. I have those things, although today I'm wearing a normal watch, but with my Apple Watch it tells me the battery life there, and with me with my AirPods it will also tell me the battery life of both left, right, and the case. So it's really interesting, this little widget. Hopefully with the next iOS release it will be better implemented, but still works very well. So the battery life of this is really good, because it's able to charge my phone fully at least once, but actually one and a half times. I have used it over a period where I was on holiday, and this was able to replace my charger. So I was charging this whenever I was out, for example, and then I would throughout the night I would just plug this in and use this to charge a phone. My phone was constantly charged, and it was very useful in that sense. And also the fact that you carry this around with you, and if you find yourself that you know your battery is about to die, this is really good, because it works very well, and it's pretty quick as well. It's not a slow wireless charger. It's quite a good one actually. And for the price, it's very well worth it. I definitely advise getting this if it's something that you you can use, because the price was only around £20 and well, €20. It's about the same price anyway. But yeah, we're talking a fraction of what the Apple one costs. I'm not saying not to get a genuine Apple product. I'm just saying that this is definitely a more powerful one than the genuine one, and it works just as good. There is third-party options of every single device out there, and this happens to be a third-party option of what the iPhone charger is. It's nothing more than a wireless charger, so it's fine. But yeah, AliExpress. Absolutely surprised that this even arrived, really. But yeah, really good, really good. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, then don't forget to like and put a thumbs up, and and leave a comment. Also, if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. And if you got friends, okay, that was more like if you do have friends, like a question, but no. Do share this video with your friends, and come back and watch my other videos. So this has been the Tech Reviewer, and I'll see you next time.